Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and we got some math tricks that you didn't learn in school. This trick is, well, dividing by 3 here. We have 5,427, and we want to know if it's divisible by 3. I don't know why, but we want to know it. Quick way to do this, well, is a calculator, but we're not going to do that. Let's go add up the digits. 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 7. What does that come out to be? 5 plus 4, good old 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 7, 18. Does 3 go into 18? Of course. 3 times 6 equals 18. So that means 5,427 is divisible by 3, and that comes out to be in 1809. We have 8's being multiplied all by 1 through 10. Let's write this quickly. Put a 0, 1, 2, 3, double the 4 here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Start back at 0, let's go by 2's. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0 again. 2, 4, 6, 8. This involves 33 being multiplied by 4, 5, and 6. 3 times a 4 is, well, a 12. 1, 2, leave a space. What's 1 plus 2? That's a 3. 3 times a 5 is a 15. Leave a space in the middle. 1 plus a 5 is a 6. 3 times a 6 is an 18. 1 plus 8 is a 9. And there we have it. 33 times 4 is 132. 33 times 5 is 165. And 33 times 6 is 198. We got 22 being multiplied by 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's go do this quickly. 2 times a 6 is a good old 12. Then we add the 2. 1 and 2 make 3, giving us 132. 2 times 7, good old 14 again. 1 plus a 4 is a 5. 22 times 7 is 154. 2 times an 8, 16. Again, we add those two together. 1 and 6 make 7. 176 is the result of 22 and 8. Lastly, what's 2 times 9? Good old 18. Add those two numbers up. 1 and 8 make 9. And so 22 times 9 is a 198. We got 33 being multiplied by 7, 8, and 9. Let's go do this. 3 times a 7 here is a good old 21. Keep a space. Add those two together. 2 and 1 make 3. 231 is the result. 3 times an 8 is a good old 24. Add those two together and we have a 2 plus 4 is a 6. 264 is the answer there. And lastly, pattern is still the same. 3 times a 9 is a good old 27. Everything's a good old something. And then 2 plus a 7 is a 9. And so 33 times 9 is a 297. First, we got 99 times 2. Let's look at the first 9 times 2. That's an 18. Leave a space between them and put that 9 right in the middle. Same thing with the second one. 9 times a 3 comes out to be a 27. We're gonna leave 2 spaces because there's 2 more 9s and put a 9 in between them. Here we have 9 times a 4, which is a 36, 3, 6, and we put the rest of the 9s in between. 1, 2, 3, and there we have 39,996. Same thing here. 9 times 5 is a 45, 4, 5, 2 more 9s left over, put them in the middle, 4,995. And lastly, 9 times a 6 is a 54, 1 space in between with a 9, and 99 times 6 is 594. We got 6/5 and a 4/3. Adding fractions, uncommon denominators. This is how we can do it quickly. We take the 3, multiply it by the 6, and we get 18. Take the 5, multiply it by a 4, get a 20, and we add those two numbers up. 18 plus 20 is a 38 here. Denominator, we just multiply that across. 5 times 3 is a 15, and there you have it. 38 over 15 is our final answer. We have 31 times a 31 here. Let's multiply down. 1 times a 1 is a 1. 3 times a 3 is a 9. Let's go leave a space. 3 times a 1 is a 3. 1 times a 3 is a 3. We add these two together. 3 plus 3 is a good old 6. And 31 times 31 is a 961. We have 81 times an 81. Let's multiply down. 1 times 1 is a, well, 0, 1. 8 times an 8 is a 64. Now let's go do some cross multiplication. 8 times a 1 is an 8, and 1 times an 8 is also an 8. We add these two together, 8 and 8 give me a good old 16. Add these two numbers up, 1 comes down, 0 and 6 is 6, 4 and 1 is 5, and 6 and nothing is a 6. And so 81 times an 81 is a 6,561. We have 111 times 111, and let's multiply this with some lines. Let's start with the green one, 111, 3 lines. We got the hundredths place, tenths place, and the ones place. Same exact thing with the orange 111. Hundreds place, tens place, ones place right there. Now, let's go group them vertically. Here's a pair of intersections, intersections, here's a pair of intersections, and here's another one. Let's count the intersections. 1 right here, 2 goes right here. How many intersections? 1, 2, 3 right there. 2 right here, and we have a 1 right there. And so 12,321 is the answer of 111 times 111. Now you know some minute math tricks.